How to troubleshoot Messenger unsend issues.
Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a common issue a lot of us encounter while using Facebook's Messenger: trouble unsending messages. If you're struggling with this, you're not alone and we're here to help. Let's figure out how to overcome this hurdle.
What does unsending a message mean?
Before we jump into troubleshooting, let's make sure we all understand what we're talking about. In Messenger, unsending a message means removing a message you've sent so that no one, including you, can see it in the conversation. It's a feature that gives you the freedom to change your mind after sending a message.
Basic steps to unsend a message.
Normally, to unsend a message in Messenger: 1. Tap and hold the message you want to unsend. 2. Then select Remove from the options that appear. 3. Next, tap on Remove for everyone to ensure the message is unsent. Please note, there is a 10-minute window to unsend messages after they've been sent. If you're unable to unsend messages, it might be because this time limit has passed.
Troubleshooting steps for unsend issues.
If you're having trouble unsending messages within this 10-minute window, let's try a few troubleshooting methods. 1. Update your Messenger app. Sometimes, old versions of the app might have issues. Make sure your Messenger app is updated to the latest version. 2. Check your internet connection. Unstable internet can lead to failed unsends. Make sure you have a stable connection. 3. Restart your device. A simple device restart can often fix temporary glitches. 4. Reinstall the Messenger app. If nothing else works, uninstall and then reinstall the Messenger app.
What to do if the issue continues?
If you've tried all these steps and you're still unable to unsend messages, you might need to reach out to Facebook support. There might be a deeper issue at play that requires professional assistance. You can contact Facebook support through the Help Center on the website or app. We hope this guide has been helpful in troubleshooting your Messenger unsend issues. Remember, technology can sometimes throw curveballs at us, but there's usually a solution around the corner. Thanks for joining us, and we look forward to assisting with more tech tips in the future. Happy messaging!